if you want a comfortable captain's bed. But at the same time you are confused by the cumbersome installation, then you are lucky. This captain bed wasn't difficult to assemble and spent no more than 2 hours completely assembled from unboxing to made and ready to sleep. What's more, this captain bed features a sturdy high-quality solid wood construction for durability and strength, ensuring longevity. The included twin-size trundle bed with 3 functioning drawers can easily be wheeled in and out for maximum storage space. This captain bed is the ultimate choice for any bedroom. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Style and function captain bed. This captain bed frame comes with a full-size bed frame with an easy pull-out twin-size trundle and 3 storage drawers, perfectly fit for a standard full-size mattress and a twin-size mattress. Mattress and bedding are not included. Number 2. Space-saving trundle bed. Built-in smoothly casters, easy for you to pull out of the trundle bed and drawers. The twin captain's bed is easy to create extra sleep space when needed. It is ideal for accommodating guests or for a family with several kids. Number 3. Full bed frame with storage drawers. 3 drawers built into the trundle can provide extra storage space for you. Captain's bed with storage drawers can be used to organize your clothes, books, and other daily necessities well, to make sure your bedroom stays pristine and organized. Number 4. No box spring needed day bed. No box spring or bunkie board needed. This item can be used as a sofa in the living room or serve as a bed in the bedroom. Number 5. Shipping and customer service. Requires simple assembly. Our captain's bed queen comes with the clear instruction that will guide you through all steps. Please kindly note that the twin day frame comes in 2 separate boxes. May arrive on different dates. Please wait patiently or contact us freely if you only receive some part of them. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can a full-size 12 inches mattress fit in this frame? Answer. This captain bed comes with a full-size top bed. We recommend an 8 inches mattress. It also has a pull-out trundle bed. We suggest a 6 inches mattress. Question number 2. Can the drawers be opened to either side? How about the trundle? Answer. The drawer and trundle can be assembled at either side. Question number 3. What is the weight capacity? Answer. This full-size Dave with trundle and drawers has a large weight capacity, which is upper bed 300 pounds, bottom bed 200 pounds. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.